Chapter 2: The Traps of Trading by Mark Douglas. Lesson 1: You trade your beliefs, not the market. The market is neutral. It just gives you data. But you see that data through your beliefs. If you believe I always lose, you will find proof. You do not see what is real. You see what you believe. Lesson 2: Accept the 5 fundamental truths of trading. Until you accept these, you will keep losing. Truth 1: Anything can happen. Truth 2: You do not need to know what happens next to make money. Truth 3: There is a random distribution between wins and losses. Truth 4: An edge is just a higher probability of one thing over another. Truth 5: Every moment in the market is unique. If you ignore Truth 3, you will start strategy hopping. 2 losses and you quit. That is why you fail. Lesson 3: The fear of being wrong destroys accounts. A loss feels like I am wrong. So you avoid it. You move your stop loss. You add to losers. You revenge trade. But a loss is just a cost of doing business. Professional traders expect to lose 40% of the time. Lesson 4: The need to be right makes you lose money. You take small profits early just to feel right. You hold losers because you do not want to be wrong. You argue with the market. The market pays you for following your plan. Lesson 5: Trading is a numbers game, not one trade. One trade means nothing. Judge your strategy over 20 trades, 50 trades, 100 trades. If your strategy wins 60% of the time, you will still get losing streaks. That is normal. Do not quit after 2 losses. Lesson 6: Stop taking it personal. The market is not punishing you. Your ego is. Detach your self-worth from each trade result. Lesson 7: Execute like a robot. Your only job is to execute your edge perfectly. No emotion. No hesitation. No second guessing. Do the same thing over and over. That is what being in the zone means. Stop trading your beliefs. Start trading probabilities. That is how you win. Before we continue, if you are enjoying these lessons, leave a comment on what topics you want us to cover next. Hit the thumbs up button. It helps us continue producing more free content. Join our free Telegram community to stay notified on new projects we have coming soon. The link is in the description or in the pinned comment. All right, let us get back to it. Chapter 2: The Lure and Dangers of Trading by Mark Douglas. Trading promises freedom, money, control, no boss, work from anywhere. That is the lure. That is why you started trading. But there is a danger too. The danger is this: trading gives you feedback on your beliefs. Every single day, if your beliefs are wrong, you will lose money. The market is not your enemy. You are hurting yourself. Here is the truth. You do not trade the market. You trade your beliefs about the market. The market is neutral. It just gives you price. Your brain adds fear and ego to that price. Example 1. Trading your beliefs. Your setup shows up, but you think, I always lose this, so you skip it. price runs without you. Then you force a bad trade to get money back. You saw fear, not the chart. Example 2. Fear of being wrong. Your stop loss is $20. Price goes $10 against you. You move the stop loss. Now you lose $200. A pro would lose $20 and move on. A loss is just a business cost. Example 3. Needing to be right. Your plan says, take profit at $100. Price hits $arst. You close. You want to feel right now, but price goes to 100 without you. You hold losers for days. The market pays you for rules, not being right. Exemplar C. Forgetting probabilities. Your strategy wins 60%. You lose 3 trades in a row. You say the strategy is broken. You switch to something new. But the wins were coming next. You quit too early. Example war. Revenge trading. You lose 1 trade. You get angry. You jump back in with double size. No setup, no plan. You blow your account in 10 minutes. Trading angry is like driving drunk. The fix is the 5 fundamental truths. Truth 1. Anything can happen. Truth 2. You do not need to know what happens next. Truth 3. Wins and losses are random. Truth 4. An edge is just higher probability. Truth 5. Every moment is unique. Lesson 6. Do not take it personal. The market is not punishing you. Your ego is. Lesson 7. Execute like a robot. Your only job is to follow your plan. No emotion, no hesitation. Do the same thing 100 times. Stop trading your beliefs. Start trading probabilities. 1 trade means nothing. eBuy trades mean everything. That is how you get in the zone. Next, in Chapter 3, we will build a winning trader mindset. Save this video, and I will see you there. If this helped you, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment with your biggest takeaway, and subscribe to be notified when new content is released. Join our Telegram community to stay notified on what new projects we have coming soon. The link is below. Discipline first. Better is not good enough. The best is yet to come. Thanks for learning. I will see you in the next chapter.